This is an integer array with three elements, which would look like this in memory as a grid. A single integer takes 4 bytes in memory, so 12 bytes are allocated to the array. Array indexing starts from 0, so our indexing stops at 2 because there are only 3 elements. But what if we try to access the fourth element using ARR of 3? In C++, the compiler won't always stop you, even though that memory doesn't belong to the array. C++ will still calculate the address just like it would for any other index. It's like saying, hey, go 3 steps forward from the start of the array. So, it hops to a memory location outside your array. That new memory spot might be empty, used by another variable, or even restricted. And this is where things go wrong. This is called an out of bounds access, and it can cause weird bugs, random garbage values, or a full on crash sometimes. So, always stay within the valid range, in this case, from 0 to 2. Or, if you are not sure of the number of elements, use vector, which can be resized and gives the size of vector using size. So, going beyond the array is like trespassing into unknown memory land, and that never ends well.